You wake up, but something feels off. Your legs are heavy. Your feet are ice cold. You sit on the edge of the bed and wonder, when did mornings start feeling like recovery instead of renewal? For men over 60, it's often not just aging. It's your circulation, slowing down quietly, and taking your energy, warmth, and vitality with it. Hi, I'm Dr. Grace Ellison. And if you've noticed a loss of drive or performance, especially down there, your breakfast might be to blame. You see, the foods most of us were raised on, white toast, processed cereal, sugary coffee, don't energize us. They clog vessels, spike blood sugar, and most importantly, they restrict the smooth blood flow your muscles, brain, and yes, even your more intimate systems depend on. But here's the fix, and it's surprisingly delicious. Start with spinach, not just a salad food. It's rich in natural nitrates that your body turns into nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels and boosting circulation. Add a bowl of Greek yogurt with blueberries or raspberries. The probiotics support gut health, which plays a direct role in nutrient absorption and nitric oxide production. Now bring in avocado. Its potassium balances sodium, easing tension in arteries, while its healthy fats fuel sustained energy. Ready for the surprising part? A square of dark chocolate, 70% cacao or more. Loaded with flavonols, it supports endothelial function, the very tissue that lines your blood vessels. Then, a sprinkle of pomegranate seeds. These polyphenols wake up your vessels and protect them from oxidative stress. Individually, these foods help, but together, they form a powerhouse that enhances blood flow, reduces stiffness, and improves nutrient delivery throughout your entire body. This is how you go from numb feet and foggy mornings to warm hands, clearer energy, and yes, greater endurance, even in private moments. No medication, no side effects, just the right nutrients in the right combination. So if you want to feel more alive in the mornings and carry that vitality into the rest of your day, change what's on your plate. Fuel your body like it deserves to be fueled. And if this helped, subscribe to Senior Spring today for more empowering health tips tailored to men over 60. Your best days aren't behind you. They just need better circulation to reach you. Let's keep them flowing.